Hi, I'm Larry Altmann from JR Motorsports. I'm an engine builder machinist here.
What do you primarily work on?
A variety of all engines. I do a lot of street engines, but I also do the modifieds and some of the big block drag blenders.
If it's your choice, what do you prefer to work on?
I prefer to work on a big block Chevrolet.
Okay. Do you have a car yourself that you work on, a project car?
Yeah,
For fun?
I have a 1981 Pontiac Trans Am that has a small block 420 in it.
Horsepower-wise, what did you say that's got?
About 600 horse.
That gets it done?
It'll get her done. It'll move it along pretty good. It's got a turbo 350 in it. As far as the rear end, it's got a 390 rear end in it. Posi, limited slip.
Why don't we go take it for a spin?
Let's do it.
All right, sounds good.